spent another winter in Ingonish, Cape Breton, and we've come back to the boat. We're getting it ready to go back into the water. We came in the 1st of May, and it's quite chilly in the east coast of Canada this time of year. Mark is putting 3 coats of varnish on the hull. He's doing bottom paint and other projects. Then we'll be back on the water.
Feeling like home, honey?
A little bit.
Doing the first sanding for the first coat of varnish. It's a fairly heavy sanding. I'm using 120 grit paper, which is a bit heavy for varnish work, but I've got a lot of varnish on this boat already. And this way I can really flatten it out. I can get rid of the UV damaged varnish on the surface. And I'll follow up with very thin down varnish, like 50% thinners, so that if there's any little imperfections like that that need to get sealed up, it'll soak right in there. So last fall, when I broke the gooseneck fitting on the mizzen boom, I ended up breaking a couple of these little cleats that I use for the outhaul and the topping lift. So I had some extra ones, but I have to finish shaping them. So I'm just working on that so that I can replace them. So today I'm working on making some seating for at the chart table here. It's the last interior project really to do in the boat, and it'll give me some more storage space underneath. Just fitting a frame in here, and then I got to fit a board to fit in along the hull here. And fairly simple. There's not going to be any upholstery on it. I want to be able to sit on it when I've got wet clothes on. Just cleaning up the edge of these seat boards where I cut them on the bandsaw. That's ready. Fits there good. I'll be rounding the edges and stuff off yet, but that'll do for now.
Oh yeah, that'll be good. It'll be useful for a lot of things. Navigating and eating.
And anything else you need a desk for.
Yeah. So it's the morning of June 8th, and we are getting ready to get the boat in the water today. Are you excited about that, Mark?
Yeah. Just getting the line flaked in here to put a kedge anchor out, pull ourselves away from the wharf.
So that should be interesting.
Yeah.
It's a good day for a launch day. It's very calm today. Hopefully it will stay that way. It is foggy, but the fog might clear away later. Mark's taking the anchor out. Anyway, they're about to put us down, and then we're gonna have to pull our way out to our anchor that we put out there. Here we are. I feel we are floating.
Tiller to your side. Okay, steer the bow that way.
Okay. Now we hopefully. We're getting past this buoy. It's good.
Yeah.
We're anchored here in Louisbourg Harbour, the northeast arm. We woke up to a foggy morning, beautiful in its own way.
Okay. Go on lash.
For a nice leisurely sail across the harbor, we're gonna anchor in front of the fortress. Got our little dinghy we're pulling behind there. We eschew cruise ship for company today. Looked out our hatch this morning and there was a cruise ship.
The Viking Saturn.
The Viking Saturn. It was a bit of a surprise.
So the batteries are fully charged this morning and it's a bright sunny day, 10 o'clock. We've got extra solar power available, so Cindy's gonna bake a loaf.
So I am making a loaf of banana bread this morning. So we can take good advantage of this nice sunshine. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment here on YouTube and subscribe for free and allow notifications. If you'd like to support the creation of these videos, you can follow the PayPal or Patreon links in the description below. Thank you for watching. Take care.